Class 10. Now nth term of an AP. Okay, nth term, that is also known as the general term of an AP. General means it can, with the help of that, you can find any and every term. Okay, so if you replace there n by 1, you'll get the first term. If you replace n by 10, you'll get the 10th term. By 5, you get the 5th term. Okay, so that is why in general n is a variable in which we can keep various values, and we find that each and every term of an AP. Okay, so how to find, or what is the formula for nth term of AP? See, we've already discussed how does an AP look like. We said that an AP is of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. That is how it goes. Okay, so the first term is always A1, first term. If we give it a suffix 1, would be representing first term. Then A2. Okay, here A2 is your second term of this AP, which we know is A plus D. Second term हमें कैसे मिलता है? To the first term adding D. Okay, so A3 is A plus 2D. Then A4 is A plus 3D. So what are you observing here? See, all these terms, if you see, all of them have A each. Okay, to A we are adding some multiples of D. यहाँ पे 1D था, 2D, 3D. Second term में it was 1D. Third term में it was 2D. Fourth term में it was 3D. So whichever term we are talking about, 1 less than that times D comes in. Okay, so from here what do we conclude? That if we are talking about any term, this was first, second, third, fourth term written. Now if I replace that by a variable n, so if it was 4, it was 3, which is 4 minus 1. Likewise, for nth term, it will be n minus 1 times d. Okay, so this we say is the general formula for nth term or any term or general term of an AP. Okay, with the first term, by now you are clear that A represents the first term of AP and D is its common difference. Okay, now children, you'll have a number of examples here which you will go through on your own, and you let me know if there's any confusion in any of the example anywhere in that any step. Okay, and after seeing those examples, then you will start off with this exercise 5.2 here, right? So in the first question here, if you see, they are saying fill in the blanks in the following table. Given A would represent the first term, D common difference, N means the number of terms, now the term which we are talking about, which particular term, and AN is your notation for which term you're talking about. Like if I say fifth term, तो A 5 हो जाएगा, and उसमें fifth term बोल रहे हैं तो N 5 हो जाएगा. You get that? Okay, so these many. Now see, in this formula that we just now saw, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So they are all together 4 variables there, children. Okay, it has AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So all in that formula, there are 4 variables. So out of these 4 variables, obviously 3 have to be given to you. Then you can find the 4th unknown. Right? So that is what is to be done in this question. There are number of parts, सब में अलग अलग हैं. किसी में A given है, किसी में D unknown है, किसी में N unknown है. So like that, you have to, one unknown will be there out of 4, and that you will have to find. Okay, like the first one, A is given to you, D is given to you, N is given to you, AN. तो इस direct formula से आ गया A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, you'll evaluate that on your own. Like I've done few examples, and rest you will try, because it is all about calculation, children, this exercise, right? And if I do those questions for you and you simply copy those calculations, that will not help you. So you have to try doing these questions on your own. जहाँ पे confusion होता है, you ask me and I'll sort that out. That would be better. Okay, rather than me solving all the questions and you all blindly copying it. जब आप खुद करोगे plus minus into, then you will realize कि आपको क्या आ रहा है, क्या नहीं आ रहा है, right? So anyways, for explanation, way of writing and all, I've done 2 solutions here. So like second one, A is given to you as minus 18, D was to be taken out, N was 10, and AN was given as 0. Okay, the term's value is 0. So first thing is you write the formula. That's the formula for nth term. Then put the values. See, AN उसने हमें 0 दिया था. First term A minus 18 था. N का value पता था, 10 रख दिया हमने, and D हमें निकालना है. Got it? Rest you have to do calculation. So obviously what will you do? To find this D, first we'll take 18 to the other side. So it becomes plus of 18. Okay, then 10 minus 1 bracket solved gives you 9 times d. So d will be 9 will be taken to the other side, will come in the denominator. D is equal to 2. Okay, then another example there in which first term a is given to you as minus 18.9, d is told this time 2.5, n is what we have to find and an was given as 3.6. तो वैसे ही पहले फॉर्मूला रखो, उसमें सारी वैल्यूज रख दो. an was known, a was known, n we have to find, you leave it as n, d का वैल्यू रख दिया. Right, now again this will be taken to the other side of the equation because we need to find this. सब remove करते हैं one by one. इधर प्लस हो जाएगा, so it is 3.6 plus 18.9 which gives you 22.5. okay, now there are two ways of doing it. अभी आप इसको अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी कर सकते हो. You can multiply 2.5 with n as well as with 1. ऐसा करते हैं बच्चे, बट उससे लेंदी होता है बेटा कैलकुलेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट यूल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग, फिर ये आपको यहाँ ऐड करना पड़ेगा, फिर इसको आप अल्टीमेटली डिवाइड ही करना है. सो व्हेन यू नो आपको n निकालना है तो यू लीव दिस ब्रैकेट एज इट इज एंड पहले ही डिविजन कर लो एंड फिर ये 1 को उधर ले जाना. दैट विल बी ईजियर. Anyway, the choice is yours. If you want to do it by distribution, you may. So anyways, what I have done here is addition of this that came out to be 22.5 will be divided by 2.5. Remember, for decimals, denominator से आप decimal जितना हटाओगे उतना numerator से भी हटेगा. So 1 places, so it becomes 2225 upon 25. Cancelling by 5. Or you're understanding, you can do it. You're getting it 9 times. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. 1 udhar jayega, so 9 plus 1, n is equal to 10. Okay, so like this only, children. Sub aapke there 3-4 parts are there. 2 I have solved for you. Rest of you, like here, you will say a is your question mark. So a ki jagah a likh doge. Then d is minus 3. N is 18. an. So minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3. फिर अपना कैलकुलेशन करो. ओके, सो ट्राई ऑल दीज. किसी में कोई कंफ्यूजन होता है, यू लेट मी नो. ओके, एंड आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज ऑल्सो अ सिंपल वन हियर. Question number 2 is a multiple choice question where they are asking you choose the correct choice of the following. They are asking you to find the 30th term of this AP. तो ये लिख के गिवन है आपको. तो अगर ये दे दिया कि this is an AP, your A becomes 10. D will be evaluated as 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. See, 7 minus 3 gives you 4. तो AP बन रही है पूरी. ओके, सो ये सीक्वेंस अगर गिवन है, यहाँ से आप इसका फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस करके डिफरेंस D निकाल सकते हो. एंड योर क्वेश्चन वाज टू फाइंड 30th term. 30th term means A30. A suffix 30 is to be evaluated. So you will say A30 is equal to A plus n minus 1D 10 plus 30 minus 1 इंटू माइनस 3 आया था आपका डिफरेंस. बी केयरफुल जब नेगेटिव डिफरेंस आता है विद योर कैलकुलेशन. वर्क इट आउट, यहाँ से मैच कर लेना. राइट, लाइक वाइज दिस वन. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड A11 फॉर विच A इज minus 3. D will be minus half. Minus of minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay, so minus half plus 3, that is 2.5. Okay, that would be your difference. चाहो तो उसे mix में convert कर लो, and then putting the values you'll have to find A11 is equal to, work it out. So I think for today just go through the solved examples and try question number 1 and 2 and let me know if there is any problem. Okay, then these questions, children, I'll discuss with you through Zoom class tomorrow.